Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make margherita pizza in the oven using an easy method. First, let's prepare our dough. Combine flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt. Knead it for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for at least 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. This simple step is key to a great crust. Now let's talk about the sauce and toppings. For an authentic taste, use high-quality canned San Marzano tomatoes. Simply crush them by hand and season with a little salt, fresh basil, and a drizzle of good olive oil. There's no need to cook it. For toppings, we'll keep it classic. Fresh mozzarella cheese, torn into pieces, and a few more fresh basil leaves. Simplicity is key for a true margherita. It's time to bake our pizza. Preheat your oven to a very hot 500 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or steel inside. This helps create a crispy crust. Gently stretch your risen dough into a 10 to 12-inch circle, being careful not to tear it. Add your sauce and toppings, then carefully transfer the pizza to the hot oven. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Your delicious homemade margherita pizza is ready. Carefully remove it from the oven and let it cool for just 1 to 2 minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set and prevents burns. For a final touch, garnish with a few more fresh basil leaves and a drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Enjoy your incredible, easy-to-make pizza. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.